This is the video tutorial about getting rid of the online scam related to the website Karpom.xyz. Karpom.xyz is a dangerous site. It attacks Google Chrome and it may affect other browsers. This site, Karpom.xyz, basically tries to trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. If you ever see these pop-ups, do not interact with them. Such pop-ups are really fake and obviously deceptive. Don't interact with them, and if you see such pop-ups, just leave this deceptive page. I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the website Karpom.xyz. So download the software using this green download button, install it, and then start researching the system in order to detect and remove other threats which could possibly still remain stealthily on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.